which means audited na sila and KYC verified. Kung naghahanap ka din ngayon ng meme coin dito sa crypto space, panoorin mo to. Dito sa meme coin na ito, its community can predict and decide its storyline. The name of the project is Pandana. Dito sa X account nila, pwede kayong mag-explore how Pandana's storyline is evolving. Pwede nyo i-check yung mga tweets nila na may mga videos like this. Sobrang unique lang ng mga ginagawa nila and yung mga top tier quality na ginagawa ng team nila sa paggawa ng mga videos like this. Currently, naka-presale ang Pandana and naka-raise na sila over $1.3 million in a short time, which is the feature yan sa Cointelegraph. So, reviewin naman natin yung website nila. Habang nire-review ko yung website nila, yung presale nila is mag-e-end na sa February 11. Sobrang pulido ng pagkakagawa ng website nila, especially sa design and yung mga comprehensive na contents. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko din dito sa project na to is meron silang unique narrative, especially sa Pandana's evolving storyline and its ambition to become the first panda in the meme elite. Ito sa website nila, nakita ko na yung mga users ay pwedeng bumili ng Pandana using Solana, Ethereum, BNB, TRX, TON, USDC, or yung mga USD networks. Currently, meron silang 91.75% na trust net score sa solid proof, which means audited na sila and KYC verified. Dito naman sa CoinSult, no risk found. Regarding naman sa trust indicator ng Pandana, dito sa ICO holders sila ang may highest score. Regarding naman sa CoinMarketCap listing, meron na silang preview dito sa CMC. Usually kasi kapag na-list na yung project sa CMC, it indicates legit yung project and may credibility. Kasi it's rare for projects listed in CMC before going to public. Especially dito sa Pandana, naka-presale pa lang sila. Guys, meron din silang article sa Bitcoinist where in this project na pwedeng mag 50 times. Pwede lang naman. In regards naman sa tokenomics nila, it is well designed, which is a good meme coin project should be. So this significant portion of the token is allocated to the community. Guys, pwede nyo rin i-explore ang community ng Pandana sa X and sa Telegram nila mismo. Umali kasi ako sa communities nila and marami silang tournaments and quizzes. Ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Pre-sale ends on February 11. No vesting period. Tokens are fully unlocked as soon as the pre-sales wraps up. Radium listing happens immediately. LP tokens are burned. Naman natin na ang pre-sale is equals to early bird. Early bird is equals to biggest. Go to the link in my bio and look for Pandana.